If you need to find your CapCut ID, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly where to find it inside CapCut on PC, step by step, so you can locate your account ID in just a few seconds. This is really useful if you need to share your profile, verify your account details, or connect your CapCut account for support or other services. And if you enjoy simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing because your CapCut ID is tied to the profile you are currently using. Once CapCut opens and you're signed in, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This will open your account or profile details. Depending on your version of CapCut, the layout may look slightly different, but the profile area is usually easy to spot once you know where to look. After clicking it, look for the section that displays your CapCut ID. In most cases, your ID will be listed near your username or profile information. Take a moment to check carefully because your CapCut ID may be shown as a number, an account name, or a unique identifier attached to your profile. If you don't see it immediately, look around the account details panel or profile page for any label that says ID. That's the information you're looking for. Once you find it, you can copy it or write it down if you need it for later. And that's really all there is to it. Finding your CapCut ID on PC is quick and easy once you know to open the profile menu in the top left corner. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.